Let's learn about piano.
Yay! It's my favorite note, featuring the notes F, G, A, and B. Have you subscribed? Frankie Frog. RIBBET. Where's Frankie's favorite note? It's before the three black keys. F. Ma. Where's Gordy Goat's favorite note? Right after F, just after the first of the three black keys, G. Hey, where's Allie Alligator's favorite note? CHOMP, CHOMP. Right after G, in the middle. A. What about Brownie Bear? Where's your favorite note, Brownie Bear? Roar. Right after the three black keys, B. Let's play. Whose favorite note is this one? RIBBET. F. Frankie Frog. What about this one? Who's right beside Frankie Frog? Ma. It's Gordy Goat. Gee.
It's my note.
Oh, what about this one? Who comes after Gordy Goat? Chomp, chomp, Allie Alligator, A!
Yeah, you did it!
And who comes right after the three black keys? Roar! Brownie Bear's B! Ooh, try this one. Who could it be? RIBBET. F!
Wow, great job.
Oh, what about this one? Roar! B!
Ooh, it's B, my favorite note.
Which friend is next? Who comes before Brownie Bear?
Yeah, you did it!
Chomp, chomp! Hey, Allie Alligator! That's a tricky one. Who could it be? RIBBET. F. Frankie Frog.
Oh, that's my favorite note.
Oh, one more. Who's beside Frankie Frog? Ma. Gordy Goat. G.